Hey everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you today? I hope you're all healthy and happy. Today we're going to make guava juice, a drink that's not only refreshing but also packed with health benefits. This juice is rich in vitamin C, great for boosting immunity, and helps with digestion. Before we start, I'll also share some tips on how to choose perfectly ripe guavas and how to make smooth juice without a bitter taste. So make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing tools and ingredients. Ingredients needed. Ripe guava, choose the ones that are perfectly ripe. Sweetened condensed milk or yogurt, depending on your preference. 200 milliliters of clean water or coconut water for extra freshness. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar optional, according to taste. Tools needed: 1 blender, 1 knife and cutting board, 1 fine strainer or cloth filter, optional, 1 serving glass. Make sure you have all the ingredients and tools ready. If everything is set, let's move on to the next step: choosing and preparing the guavas. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the guavas. Before we cut the guava, I want to share some tips on choosing good quality guavas. Choose guavas that are yellowish red. Avoid green ones as they are usually hard and less sweet. Gently press the fruit with your fingers. If it feels slightly soft, it means it's perfectly ripe. It should have a fragrant aroma. Ripe guavas usually give off a fresh and distinctive scent. Steps to prepare the guava. Wash the guava thoroughly under running water to remove dirt and pesticide residue. Cut the guava into smaller pieces for easier blending. No need to peel, as the skin contains a lot of nutrients. While cutting, let me tell you more about guava. Guava, Psydium guajava, is a tropical fruit native to Central and Northern South America. It has a unique sweet and sour taste. Characteristics: oval or round shape, greenish-yellow skin, white or red flesh, contains many small seeds in the center. Nutritional content: vitamin C minerals like iron, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Natural fiber that helps digestion. Health benefits of guava: improves digestion and prevents constipation. Contains antioxidants that fight free radicals. Boosts the immune system. Supports eye and skin health. Can be consumed as fresh fruit or juice. When making guava juice, there are a few things to keep in mind. The fruit should be fresh and perfectly ripe, and the juice should be consumed immediately after making it. If you want a smoother texture, remove the seeds using a spoon or strain them later after blending. If everything is ready, let's move on to the blending process. Step 3. Blending process. Put the chopped guavas into the blender. Add 200 milliliters of clean water or coconut water to enhance the freshness. If you prefer it sweeter, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Add ice cubes if you want a cooler and more refreshing juice. Blend all the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes until smooth and well mixed. Make sure all the ingredients are in, then turn on the blender. This is the most exciting part. While waiting for the juice to blend smoothly, let me share something. Have you ever had guava juice that tastes slightly bitter? It's usually because the guava is not fully ripe or has too many seeds in the center. Guava is a popular fruit in Indonesia, and its juice provides many health benefits. Health benefits of guava juice: boosts the immune system, protects against illnesses like flu and dengue fever, strengthens the immune system, aids digestion, supports children's growth and development. Nutritional content in guava juice: vitamins A, B, C, E, K, minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, natural fiber and carbohydrates. So if you want smoother and non-bitter juice, make sure the guava is fully ripe and strain it after blending. Step 4. Straining and serving. After blending, pour the juice into a fine strainer or use a cloth filter. Press gently with a spoon to extract as much juice as possible. If you prefer a thicker texture, you can drink it without straining. Pour the juice into a serving glass. Add a squeeze of lime juice for an extra fresh taste. You can also add fruit slices or mint leaves as garnish. Wow, look at that color. So fresh and vibrant. This guava juice looks super tempting, especially when served cold. Imagine how refreshing it must be. Step 5. Closing. Yay! Our guava juice is ready. Super refreshing, healthy, and of course, delicious. This juice is perfect for any time of the day, whether for breakfast, a midday snack, or after a workout to recharge your energy. Oh, and if you love experimenting, you can also add other ingredients like mango, apple, or even ginger for a unique flavor twist. If you try this recipe at home, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me in making more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Enjoy your fresh and healthy guava juice.